Good morning, guys. I'm here with my beloved son, Zion. I told you guys in the other vlog that he had gotten chosen to do a shopping spree at UNIQLO. So we're on our way there now. It's early in the morning. So we took the bus halfway and we walked the rest. So how do you feel about it?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah,
A little bit happy? What you thought it was?
I thought it was something.
You thought it was what?
I thought it was something good.
It is something good. UNIQLO is a really nice store. I've gotten you, remember your coat that had the fur around it?
No, it's cool.
Oh, come on, we can cross. Remember your coat that had the fur around it?
Yeah. Oh, that one.
Yes, that store. But they have pants.
UNIQLO, please.
They have pants. They have shirts. They have socks.
Oh,
they
I'm
have.
buying me some new pajamas.
They have. Oh, you could get some pajamas. Ask them if they have some pajamas in there.
But I wanted to see her.
All right, you guys. I'll try and record while I'm in there. I don't know if I could, but I'll try and record a little bit. Zion picked out this jacket, shirts, pants. Yeah, they have so much nice stuff in here. It looks nice. You like that color? You want to try the long one on? No?
No.
Okay. It's a video. You like it? Do you like the stuff you picked out?
Yes, I do.
So we're going to show you guys what he picked out.
Later on.
And the store,
'cause I'm
as you know,
tired of
UNIQLO,
it.
they have all of
She meant to say
the
later on.
scarves and the
She meant to say later on because I'm tired.
gloves. Who?
Me and I just woke up.
So,
Early in the
look at this cute coat they got for us ladies. This is a cute coat. Ugg season? This is nice. Y'all, we back in the house. I am tired. I'm tired. Cause it's quite a walk. And we did walk. We took the bus there and then we walked the rest of the way. And I'm tired. Zion picked out some nice stuff. UNIQLO is really, really good. They are a really good brand. Shout out to them for allowing students in District 75 and children of special needs to be able to come in the store and pick out what they want, no matter the price. Boy, when we came back from UNIQLO this morning, oh gosh, my knee was in so much pain. But my husband rubbed this cream on it and it feels way better. And I was able to relax and lay down and oh, that nap felt so good. But let me show y'all what Zion got from UNIQLO. So it was 3 items of any price, doesn't matter what it is. So he got this t-shirt, which I think these are from characters from One Piece, an anime show called One Piece. I don't know. I'm not into it. But one thing I want to say about UNIQLO, I've shopped there before plenty of times. The quality of their t-shirts and their socks. I was reminded today. I was like, when I came home, I was telling my husband, I'm like, we gotta go to UNIQLO, rack up on some socks. The socks there are 4 for $12.50 if you buy 1 pair. It's $3.50. So you better off buying 4. But they are comfortable. And the t-shirt quality, they have the best out of, to me, out of any brand, Gap, Old Navy, H&M, anything. UNIQLO got it going. So he got that t-shirt. He got a coat. Ooh. Ooh. And kind of like this earth tone. What do you call that? Taupe? Something like that. This is the coat.
Ooh, what is this?
And I'm not gonna lie, the coats do be on the pricier side. I'm gonna say like $150 and up. So, but if you catch them on a sale, a good day, on a good sale, you'll be able to get a coat for like at least $70, $80. But he picked out this coat. I thought this was a really, really nice color. It's almost also like a earth tone gray. So that's probably what it is. But I like it. So he picked that coat. And Royalty, stop. And put that down. Put that down. Put it back where you found it. And he got some, what they call trouser pajama pants in this. Who's that? So these are them. Forward. So she said, from what the lady explained to me, when you look online, the guy has them on with like some sneakers and a t-shirt and a sweater. Like, they've turned the pajama pants into a material that if you want to wear it to bed, you can wear it to bed. But if you want to wear it as an outfit, you can wear it as an outfit, in a sense, because it's not called pajamas. But it's weird. I don't know. But the material is pretty thick, and it do feel like a pair of pants a little bit. It's not thin at all. And one thing with that I like with UNIQLO is that majority of their clothing, especially their coats, have like a built-in heat tech. So like this coat, he doesn't even need to wear this with no hoodie. If he wants to, he can, but he is going to be hot. Him and my husband actually have a UNIQLO coat. I never bought, did I buy a coat for myself from UNIQLO? I don't think I ever, I know my mom got one, but I don't think I ever have. And I believe Royalty has, but they're really warm. That's what I know. And their sizing, because this is the extra large in men, and my son wears a medium in men. So that lets you know that you got to size up. Their sizing, to me, runs pretty small. So I'm just relaxing and calling it a day. I guess this is a quick vlog. I'm relaxing and I'm watching this movie on Netflix called I Came By. It seems like it's good. It's about this kid who breaks into elite people, their homes, and I guess he steals stuff, valuable stuff. But he basically broke into the wrong home. That's more of the story. But it's called I Came By, so go check it out. I think it's based in London. I gotta go to London. I wanna go to London.
You're not going to London.
I'm going to London.
No, you're not. If my name is London.
I'm going to London so I can have a cup of tea.
No. And I'm working
So I can have a cup of tea.
I'm working there. I'm like, Mom, what are you doing here?
Wow. You don't want to go with your mother to London?
Do I?
I want you to come with me.
Can you speak British?
Yes, I can.
And I can be quiet.
Can you speak British?
Why are you asking?
Can you speak British? Hello, mate. Royalty, do you want a cup of tea?
Bonjour.
Do you? Oh, she said bonjour. Bon appetit. I love you.
Right.
Okay, so I'm about to finish my movie.
Stomach.
Oh, her belly's getting better.
No, it's not. It's getting more hurtful.
Today it was hurting her a little bit, but it's dissolving.
No, it's not. Ow!
And she just had some ramen noodles. And she's watching something on her tablet right now. So I'm just gonna lay down and relax on my blanket and on my comfy couch and just finish watching this movie. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I had a good day. I enjoyed my time with Zion. You know, we don't really get to have too much one-on-one time because he just be like, no, mom. I don't want some mom. So it was cool. It was nice that we were able to go. And he said something very interesting. Shopping, he made it clear shopping is not his thing. And I asked him, I said, well, you know, you're becoming of age now. And what are you going to do when you need like shoes? You need sneakers, you need clothing, you need essential stuff. Like, so he would prefer to have somebody go get those things for him. Like pay somebody to go get the things that he needs. Or a personal stylist, I should say. He said he doesn't mind having a stylist. Someone who understands him. That's what he said. So my boy must going to be making the money. And yeah, he doesn't like the experience of going into the store. And the first thing he said was, I hope it's not crowded. And it was not crowded at all. Because they opened up the store early for us, which was really, really nice for them. They opened up at 11 and they opened up for us at 8 a.m. So we were in there bright and early. And it was just him and a few friends from his school. And he, every minute, he wanted to sit down on the floor and just talking about he need to relax. I'm like, Zion, please. So, yeah, shopping is not his thing. So he would rather tell me what he needs. Mom, I need socks, I need this, I need that. So then I go and get it. But I do call him on FaceTime and ask him, like, show him stuff. Like, you like this or this? This Royalty doesn't mind going shopping, right? She don't mind being in the store, but a little bit she do. A little bit you do. Because sometimes when we in the store, you be like, I'm tired. I'm ready to go home.
What she said?
Now me, you know, I could be in the stores for a long time, right? Mommy be.
And then
Because
your
I be
knee
looking
hurts.
at, yeah, and then my knee hurts. Thank you. If I go like to buy her a pair of sneakers or something, then I could bring her with me. Because I already know what I'm picking up. 1, 2, 3, and then back home. But like if I need to go shopping for her, like a bunch of stuff, no, I don't bring her with me. Not no more. So, but I love you guys. Make sure you comment down below and make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so when I post, you pull up and see what's going on. And I will see y'all in the next vlog.
Bye.